Hello, the channel is Sandra too. Good morning. I hope you all are well in this pandemic coronavirus. Please stay home, stay safe. Spend your quality time with your family member. You can give your quality time in study also. Eat healthy food, play some indoor game. I hope whatever homework I am giving you in maths and science, you are doing it on time. Because whenever school is going to open, I am going to ask all the homework which I have given you. So please be sincere and do all the homework. So today I am going to teach you science chapter 10 air around is going on. Air around us. We are the topic of we are properties of air. You are seeing first property was that air occupies space and give shape to the thing. So that I have already explained. When we will blow air into a balloon, it will occupy space and the shape will be changed. When we blow air into swimming tubes, when we blow air into any tubes, vehicle tubes, then what happens? It expand and it changes their what? It become bigger and changes their space. Shape, not space. Now the last one was air has weight. So again here I will give the example of we cannot see the air. So what it has weight? First thing that we cannot touch and we cannot see the air, but it has weight. Then how? So a balloon which is filled with air will be heavier than a balloon which has not been filled with air. Okay, so example I have given you that when you first take a balloon which has no air and just weight it, okay, measure it, and after filling the air into that balloon, measure it. Then what if you will find some difference that the weight of the that balloon which have weight air into it, it is heavier than the that balloon which has not been filled with air. So that's why we can say that air has weight also. So we cannot see air, but it has weight. Okay, it has weight. So like a balloon, example I am giving you a balloon which is filled with air, will be heavier, will be heavier than a balloon which has not been filled with air. Understood? A balloon which is filled with air will be heavier than a balloon which has not been filled with air. You can do it also. You can take the example of any swimming tube also. First, you can measure the weight of the tire which is not filled with air, and after that take one more tire and again apply air into this and again weight that tire. You will find that the air which is filled in that tire, that tire will be heavier. So now we will go for wind. So moving air is called wind. Okay, so moving air is called wind. Sometimes the wind blows gently and sometimes it is very strong. Okay, sometimes the wind, so we can say strong wind, we can say storm. Okay, strong wind we can say storm, and a gentle wind we can say what? Breeze. So next we will move to next topic. Wind. So what is wind? So a moving air is called wind. Moving air, okay, it's called wind. Okay, Okay, now this wind can be two types. Sorry, not two types, but sometimes the wind blows gently and sometimes it is very strong. Okay, so that is depend on two things. So depending how, so sometimes wind blows gently and sometimes it is very strong. Gently means softly. Now depending on how fast or slow it blows, okay, it can be different types. Okay, can be different types. Wind can be of different types on blowing fast and slowly. The first will be breeze and second will be strong. So breeze is a gentle wind. A breeze can make us feel cool on a warm. Okay, on a warm day. A breeze is a gentle wind. When this breeze will blow, usually this breeze blow in on a warm day, which make us cool. So it is a gentle wind. Okay, and the breeze can make us cool, make us feel cool on a warm day. Now come to page 109. Just opposite in a storm. A storm is a very strong wind which blows very fast. It blows very gentle or slow. But the storm, it is a strong wind. Okay, which blows very fast, and sometimes it is dangerous also. A storm can cause a lot of damage to houses. Okay, so it can cause a lot of damage to houses, crops, buildings, trees and animals. Trees and animals. It can uproot trees, make doors and windows bang, and even break window panes. Yeah, it can uproot trees. Tree is like this. When strong wind will become uproot. So it can uproot trees and make doors and windows windows bang and even break window panes also. Okay, means if your window is made of glass, so it will bang and it will break also. So this chapter is over. In lecture number 2 I will go for chapter 11, that is water.